What I have here is a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322. This is the full size. The issue that I have with this truck is the parasitic battery drain. If the truck is not used and sits for a couple days, the battery will actually drain completely to where it won't start anymore. Now, what I've figured out with this accidentally is the glove box switch, which is right here. Once I change that quit discharging the battery. Now it works perfectly. I'm going to show you real quick how to change it. It's a fairly simple procedure for that. You just need a small screwdriver or some type of a pick and just pick at the edge of it. Be careful, you can always use a rag on the end of it just so you don't scratch anything. You want to just kind of pry it out all the way. Once you kind of have it slid out a little bit, you can see some slots right on the edge of it. You can see the release there. You can see that tab kind of getting released. There's one on this side here that you got to do the same thing with, and there is one on the bottom. Obviously on this one it just released. So yeah, once you get that out, there's one plug that you can just undo, and the whole thing will just come out. So here it is. It actually sits in the dash just like that. So when pulling it out, remember there's nothing on top. There is a lock and tab on the right side here and the left side, and there's one at the bottom. So with the pick, all you're trying to do is push it in so it will release on all sides. Once you have the new one, it goes back in the same way it came out. So basically you're gonna plug it in, make sure that it's locked, put it in the slot here, and just push it in. You can kind of hear it locking in, and that's it. And that functions perfect. Hopefully that does help someone out. That did solve my issue on this particular vehicle with the battery. Thank you for watching.